Well, something that's been bothering me is this dirty driveway. So I think today's the day to pressure wash it and probably do the whole driveway, the sidewalk and the stairs and all that stuff on the front and the back. But let's get to it. Took me about an hour and I'm done. It looks fantastic. I think it's gonna last for probably a year or so and I'll have to do it again. But I did the driveway, I did the sidewalk right here, and then I did the curb out by the road. So hopefully it'll stay looking good as long as possible, and we'll just do it again when it needs it.